Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the App Store. This is the fastest path. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later because Google Wallet requires system APIs. Sign into your Google account. Once done, download Google Wallet and grant permissions for notifications, location, and background app refresh. You need Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity. Keep your compatible card and ID at hand. They speed verification and reduce retries. Now tap Install. Once the app is open, you'll add your payment method. Tap Add a payment method and choose card. Use the camera for quick capture or type numbers manually if needed. This avoids OCR errors. Next, follow the bank's verification flow. You may get an OTP text, a push in your banking app, or a microcharge on your statement. These steps prove card ownership. Make sure to enter any code exactly. Mismatched digits cause delays. When verified, your card appears ready to use. To finish, you'll enable NFC and set Google Wallet as the default for contactless payments. Go to Settings and turn on NFC, then open Google Wallet and mark the card as default. Now test at a contactless terminal. Hold the top back of the iPhone near the reader and wait for the confirmation tone. If the terminal asks, choose Google Wallet at checkout. If payment fails, restart the iPhone and try again. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.